Once you have gone through the teacher portion of sharing the class notebook with students, you will need to instruct students to go to their email, and you'll see they will have an email from you that says that you shared the class notebook with them. You'll click on that, or they will click on that email, and then it will say, here's the document that your teacher shared with you. They'll need to click open. And then it may ask them to sign in the first time. This should be their same as their email. They can check keep me signed in and then click sign in. And it may take a moment, but it will open the class notebook on the web. And then once the page has loaded, you'll see there's a button at the top that says Edit in Microsoft OneNote. They'll click on Edit in Microsoft OneNote. Make sure they check the box that says Remember My Choice for OneNote links. Otherwise, this pop-up will just show up every time they open a class. Then they click Open Link. And it should bring them to OneNote. You'll see that it says Microsoft Office has identified a potential security concern. That's okay. You can go ahead and tell them to click yes. And then it may take a moment for the notebook to load. And sync. But then it should load right on their page, their OneNote notebook page. Now, once they've opened their notebook in OneNote, they should not close their notebook, okay? They don't need to ever close this notebook. They just, because they can click the notebook name and navigate to their different classes that way. And then they can just close OneNote, the program, when they're done. They don't need to close the actual notebook. And you can see that the student has access to the collaboration space. They have access to the content library. And they have access to their own personal notebook, which you may add things to. They may copy things from the content library to, or the student may choose to add pages themselves.